Alright, welcome back guys to a new video on Crypto Insider. This is exactly why I started the channel, because I saw it happening, a red market. Alright, so this video we're gonna look at the top 10 coins and we're gonna see if we're still in a bull market or are we in a bear market. So let's head over to Bitcoin first. Bitcoin has formed a head and shoulders type of pattern on the daily here. You see here left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Right shoulder is very small, so it could be invalidated. Bitcoin also got rejected out of the bull market support bands multiple times now. So we have to look 1, 2. So we have to be really cautious about claiming we're in a bull market. And this is what I've been saying, is that, you know, especially the new investors in crypto, you need to really grow up and not marry your coins and pretend like this market is going to go up forever. It's just not true. Markets go up and down, and right now the trend is down. Punkt. All right, so, and the reason why it's coming down, guys, is because you have these Wall Street sharks chasing you, okay? The Beto here. This does not look like a bullish chart, does it? So go look at BTC1 exclamation mark, and you will see that these future types of charts only put the pressure on the Bitcoin price. It's exact same thing as in 2018. So you can, if you want to have a look here, Bitcoin, this one, and you see that when this thing got launched in 2018, Bitcoin immediately came into a bear market. All right, so all this bullshit about like, yeah, institutions are jumping in and banks are jumping in. Well, here was, they opened the trading desk at JP Morgan in 2018 here, or end of 2017, and immediately after we were in a bear market. So don't believe the hype. All right, now, so Ethereum, still same story. We have broken our support line here. You can clearly see we broke it there. This is basically in a bigger wedge. This is the top of 2018. This was January 2018. You see, if you break these trend lines to the upside, boom, you're likely to get into downwards momentum, right? I'm not saying we're gonna go 90% down on all these coins, but I'm saying we are likely to go more down next year than up, and we will have to see where there's potential reversals. For Ethereum, we have a max pain price which went up since last week. Last week it was 2,500. Now it's 3,500, which is good news, which means we can kind of hover around here. So I do expect Ethereum to come down on Friday to hit that max pain price around 3,500, which is kind of this level. And from there, we have to see where we end up. All right, BNB. Well, this is one of the most manipulated coins because it's an exchange coin. Exchanges work with market makers. You can see this on my other videos, go check it out. And so of course the exchange are gonna manipulate the price because, yeah, the exchanges have are big bag holders of these coins. So BNB manipulated to the upside here in the start of the bull market. But also BNB, we lost our parabolic structure here, and we just broke this support right now. We set in a double top on a notable extension level here on my Fibonacci tools, the 26.18. These are my levels. I added some levels that I think are interesting for me. All right, then XRP on the weekly. This was our 2017 bull market, much overextended. And now you can also see what's the effect on when new tokens hit the market. The amount of tokens here were much less than the amount of tokens here. So if you buy the top of a relatively new coin, you might be in for a prolonged loss, because here XRP was around $4 and we never made it back there. So again, be cautious. Don't, the problem is that people, most people, they need money, and so they think, oh, let's invest in crypto and then I will be rich. I can buy any fucking coin and I will just be rich. If it was that so easy, then everyone would be rich, but that's not true. Everyone would have been already rich in 2017, and it's not the case, right? So don't believe any bullshit, because it's like pissing me off. So where we at here, we are at 36.18. Again, a notable extension level. Let's see how XRP does around the 10 extension level here, around the 25 billion market cap. All right, then Avalanche. Same story, 26.18. Again, like it's the golden pocket on the upside. So Avalanche is also manipulated token. There are some heavy investors behind it. So let's see how Avalanche will trade around the $60. And if it doesn't hold there, then we want to see how it performs at the $30. And don't tell me it cannot go there, because just back in July it was $10. And again, there will be new tokens in circulation. In the worst case, we even go back to $6. So what looks like a mountain of gold today can be absolute crap tomorrow. Solana, same story. Also heavily manipulated coin. Big ass wedge on the monthly. Where did we end up? On the 16.18. Is that correct? Boom. Yes, that's correct. 16.18. Again, a massive level. We broke the uptrend. And look at this RSI, guys. Come on, like this is a RSI in the monthly. It's at 84. Okay, it's at 84. It's not even in the standard range. It's, come on, wake up. All right, next one, Luna. What did I say last week? I said the 100 zone would likely be the resistance zone for Luna, and I expected Luna to come back to the 4-hourly EMA, 50 EMA. So again, yes, you can say, oh, you were wrong, we hit 103. I said 103 zone. 100 zone. So again, the 36.18, again, a massive level. This is one of the most bullish looking coins, but again, like here, look on the RSI, we have a big bearish divergence, and the volume is coming down. So sooner or later, I do expect Luna to come down further than it is coming down now. What did we say? We did came back to the 4-hour 50 EMA. Obviously, we broke it now because we have a very bearish Bitcoin. And I was saying 75 last week. And if we get rejected from the 4-hour 50 EMA, then that's an easy target for the coming weeks. Right, Polkadot, same story, very bearish divergence on the RSI here on the weekly. Broke also the parabolic trend here, flipped into resistance. We're coming down now. Polkadot isn't running yet, still has a lot of coins that will be added to the market. For me, it's not interesting anywhere above $10. Like, I want to see Polkadot hitting here the golden pocket and see how it performs there, and see what news is out there, the fundamentals, and then Polkadot can become interesting again. Then Chainlink, same story. We lost our parabolic trend that we had since 2018, 17. I check now the market cap because sometimes it's a cleaner chart than the price. Also more price history. So for Chainlink, we broke this trend here. Then we set a lower low in price, lower high in price. So for Chainlink, I'm interested in to see what it does around the 5 billion market cap. And if it doesn't hold there, then I want to see what happens at the 3 billion market cap. Then Matic. Let's see, Matic literally blew away all the targets. Wait, this is wrong. Here, boom. It literally hit the last extension level that is even possible on my Fibonacci extension level. So, yeah, I'm not bullish on any coin right now, honestly. Like, I cannot be bullish if Matic is trading at 73 RSI on the 2 weekly. Yeah, I mean, it's just overbought. Simple. This is the whole point what I said. Go check my first video. You don't buy in the bull market. Like, sure, if you guys know how to trade and you can hold a coin for a few hours or a few days or maybe a few weeks and you know where to sell it, then you can make a lot of money. But if you're not on top of your shit, most likely you will lose money. So that's what I want to say. Matic, let's see how Matic performs at 50 cents. Let's see how many tokens there will be added to the circulating supply. Huge bearish divergence here on the monthly RSI. Yeah. That's and it's pretty much every token is like this. We covered now the top 10, and I left some shit coins out. I'm never gonna talk about Cardano or Dogecoin or what else we have, Shiba Inu, because that's you need to go to other YouTube channels for that bullshit, because those tokens are dead. At least for me, they're dead, and I'm not going to invest in them. So that's it. The harsh truth of the market this week, guys. Let's see how January performs. Could either see very red January or a rebound January. Let's see how far the market makers are with distributing their coins. Exchanges are quite dry, so it means that they already sold enough to bring the market back down. So, am I bullish for 2021? Not so much. But let's see how it goes. I can also be wrong, and then we can jump back in when I think this. When I think this market can be reversing up again. So, and obviously everyone needs to determine for themselves. And also, what's your time frame? If your time frame is multiple years, then it's no problem. But I like to trade in a weekly time frame, and then hold coins for a few weeks, for a few months, or sometimes for a few years. Depends on the price action and where we are in the cycle. Right now, it very much looks like we're at the end of the cycle. So, are we in a bear market? Officially, we're not yet in a bear market, but we're also not far away from a bear market. We need to hold this 42 and 39 level for Bitcoin to have any conviction to the upside. But if we lose this level, then we're in trouble. All right, see you guys in the new year. Happy New Year.